Cricket for the blind, slightly modified version of game, but mostly we follow the regular rules, more or less ICC rules, except for few adaptations which helps visually impaired to play game like anybody. Bowling is underarm, there is a special cricket ball, wickets are made up of metal, and 3 categories of blindness. Why I am telling you all this is, we are doing this for the first time, blind cricket. So whatever we tell, whatever media rights, people get to know. So media has played a significant role in whatever blind cricket is today. Through you, we would like to appeal and invite Goans, please come and enjoy the game, cheer the cricketers. I'm sure India will retain the cup on Saturday 13th into finals. DD Sports is going to give a live coverage, and media has always written about it. So I'm sure we'll have a wonderful coverage across Goa, both print, electronic, online, and anytime we're always available. Any queries, our PR team is here.
Welcome all for this press conference here. As you all know that Cricket Association for Blind India and Samathan Trust for the Disabled is organizing the first ever triangular series for the blind, in which India, Sri Lanka and England are participating, and the first ever international tournament happening in Goa. So far we had covered so many states, the first time happening in Goa, and we are very proud to be here as a big host. We'll be having 6 games here from tomorrow onwards, from 8th to 30th. The inaugural 2 matches we have done in Bangalore yesterday and day before yesterday, and we are having a double league. So 2 matches, each team will play 2 matches against each team, and we are also having the 2nd, 3rd position match on 12th. Like top 1 will qualify for the finals, and the 2nd, 3rd will play, and the winners will qualify for the finals on 13th. So 2nd and 3rd placed match on 12th, we are having the live DD also, match will be shown, and also on 13th. And also happy to share that Governor has confirmed, or Honorable Governor Sinha Madam has confirmed her presence for the valedictory function on 13th. This is a ball which we use, it makes on. So whole game is dependent upon the audio signals, and like in normal cricket, mainstream cricket, they only give the directions like that, hand, no, idhar jao, udhar jao, like that. But here, our boys, the major role of wicket keeper is a major role, where from their position, our boys are so well trained that they know all the positions actually. So they can't see in this as Ms. Madhav said, 3 categories: B1, B2 and B3. Blind 1, blind 2, blind 3. B1 they are 100% blind. B2 they can see up to 3 meters clear vision, and the B3 category they can see up to 6 meters clear vision. So that is the vision they have, and and we play all by rules of MCC rules of cricket. And the boundary will be 50 yards. We play in 50 yards boundary, and the bowling will be underarm bowling. Because as you know that if I raise the ball on top, there is no sound unless the ball rolls. So ball rolls, the sound comes. So this is the difference between the game. And as Mr. Madhav said, the metal wickets, you may be thinking that why the metal wickets are being used. Because the wood and the metal, the difference between the wood and the metal. So our boys also, they are so sharp, whether he's bowled or not. Sometimes we don't, by seeing also we can't understand whether the ball is the stump or not. But tongue, the sound will be different. So these are the like differentiate. Yeah, tomorrow inaugural function will be having at 9:30, where our PW Minister Sudhir sir is coming, and we'll have every day so many guests. Every day the match will start at 11 a.m. and the closing that will be match ceremony will be at 2:45 p.m.
गोंयकारांक एक फर्स्ट टायम आमी सदां टीव्हीर पळयता तेमकां ते यूट्यूबार बीन केन्ना दिश्टी पडटा. काल हांवें स्वता टीव्हीर मॅच पळयली बेंगलोरची, की आज गोंयकारांक लायव्ह हांगा पळोवंक मेळटलें. हांव गोंयकारांक अपील करतलो की तुमी मुद्दाम ह्या आमच्या इंडियन टीमीक आनी बाकीचे जे इंग्लंडासान श्रीलंकासान स्पेशल येयलात तेमकां एनकरेज करपाक तुमी मुद्दाम आमच्या ग्रावंडार येवचे. ग्रावंड सगळ्यां खातीर ओपन आसा, आनी हो क्रिकेट ज्या तरेन ते खेळटात, काल इंडिया जिखली, तो फोर्स दिवपाक तुमी येवचे. आनी स्पेशली हांव सांगत, हेमकां जाय तें क्लॅप, तेमकां जाय ती खुशी, आनी ती खुशी दिवपाक तुमी मुद्दाम येवचें. कारण स्पॉन्सरशीप बाबतींत बाकीच्या बाबतींत तेमकां बरो सपोर्ट आहा. आनी गोवा क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन फॉर क्रिकेट आनी क्रिकेट फर्स्ट आसा आमची. आमचे एक्स प्रेसिडेंट बाब चेतन देसाय, विनोद फडके हेमकां पयलीं हें विजन आसलें, इज द प्लॅन. पूण मागीर जेन्ना हे आमचे कडेन टी.डी. कुमार आमकां एप्रोच जालो आनी ज्या तरेन म्हाका चेतन देसाय आनी आमचे प्रेसिडेंट सुरज लोटलीकर हेमकां चड तेमी ही प्रॅक्टिकली हांगा जावचे खातीर बरो फोर्स घेतलो.